Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use protein powder mass gainer. First, select a quality mass gainer and your preferred liquid, like milk or water. For a smooth shake, combine 1 to 2 scoops of powder with 12 to 16 ounces of liquid in a shaker bottle or blender. Shake or blend for about 30 seconds until fully mixed. This ensures a delicious and lump-free drink. Timing is crucial for maximizing your mass gainer's benefits. Drink 1, shake immediately after your workout to aid muscle repair and growth. You can also have a second shake between meals to significantly increase your daily calorie and protein intake. Aim for 2 to 3 shakes daily, depending on your specific fitness and nutritional targets. Elevate your mass gainer shake by adding extra ingredients. Blend in 1 whole banana or a half cup of berries for natural sweetness and vitamins. For healthy fats and more calories, add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter or 1/4 of an avocado. You can even include a half cup of oats for fiber, making it a more complete meal. Remember these important tips for best results. Always follow the serving size instructions on your specific mass gainer product. Staying well hydrated is essential, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. Finally, integrate your mass gainer with a balanced diet rich in whole foods and a consistent, challenging workout routine for optimal muscle and weight gain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.